Okay, thank you. In our previous class, we have done work on descriptive statistic. Today, you will work as like task or assignment. I will give you task and guide you. Then you will work and will share your progress within group. And when you found any type of issue, you will discuss or you can share your screen with me. Today, our topic is t-test. So when you want to perform t-test, the first question which should be arise in your mind, what is t-test? Second question, why do we perform t-test? Third is types of t-test. And fourth is how to arrange data for t-test. So for last question, you need a sample data for t-test. So first you will ask this question from ChatGPT or any AI tool. You can use ChatGPT, Gemini, Google, or DeepSeek or any other tool which you are using on your site. And then it will show you three type of t-test. One sample t-test, two sample t-test, and pair sample t-test. For one sample, have only one group. For two sample, have two group. And for paired sample, you have a group in the form of pair. Yes or no, before and after, present or absent. So it will show you three different type of t-test. After reading all these information, you need to write a message to ChatGPT. Thanks. I need sample data table for each type of t-test. And then type your field of study name related to. If your field of study name is business, type business. If your field of study is botany, type botany. If your field of study is finance, type finance. Related to. So, okay. After asking these three questions, next step is type a message to ChatGPT. Thanks. I need sample data table for each type of t-test, and then define related to. You can add here your field of study name. If your field of study is physics, chemistry, biology, economics, anyone which your field of study, type here. Then it will show you the sample data table after